Hello everyone and welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Hinge Messages Not Sending. So now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Another step is restart the app. Simply close and reopen Hinge to refresh. You need to also make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. Simply go to the Play Store and if you see any update, simply update the app. You can also try rebooting your phone to fix any temporary issues, or simply go to the settings and navigate to apps and again navigate to Hinge to clear the cache. But if the problem persists, simply uninstall the app and then reinstall it again, and this may help. So this is how to fix Hinge Messages Not Sending. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.